arrives to the start of the day tomorrow. Here's what we got going on for you over the next 24 hours. Let's begin right down to the south. Lenawee and Monroe counties. Dundee, your next 24 hours. 50s, low 50s. The highs for you mainly are in the morning. That's where we really have the best chance because we're holding steady. It's wet, it's windy, it's absolutely on the chilly side with winds, again, mainly out of the east and the northeast, around 15 to 20, gusts 25 plus. So we've got plenty in the way of that cool air. Wind chills will be well down into the 40s tomorrow. Add the fact that it's wet, not great. So we're in Washtenaw and Wayne now. I think an important one is looking at Ann Arbor, your next 24. Obviously, big game at noon tomorrow at the Big House, and you've got the upper 40s really trying to make it to the low 50s, but not until late in the day when the showers finally start to taper off. But solid rain chances all the way through, not just before the game, during and after, but all the way into the late part of the day. Let's jump all the way over here to right downtown. You got 53, going to be the high there in Detroit, but that again is later in the day as we try and get at least a little bit of warmth building through. It's not going to be all that mild, though. Our average highs are in the low 60s. Obviously, we're well below that. So the cold front that's bringing all of this in is rather potent. I think we can all see that. Warren, low 50s there, 51 to 52. Later in the day, you're starting to really break the rain apart in the evening hours for you. And we jump all the way over toward Milford. It's kind of the same setup where it really lightens up a bit going through the afternoon and into the evening tomorrow. The further north you go, the faster we can get rid of that. For instance, looking over toward Almont. You got the low 50s here, much lighter on the rain late in the day, but again, still a lot of that cooler air. So let's show you why. You've got the system right here, showers moving on in. We've got heavy rainfall overnight. By tomorrow morning, it continues to pour through and all the way through the afternoon and into the evening. And then it's all about lake effect. Look at the lines of rain coming off of Lake Huron. Until the wind finally shifts and pushes it further into Ontario, that's where we're finally done with the rain at that point. But the amount of rain we have left over, still about a ½ an inch to an inch. We're easily going to get that before the next 7. Leaves us with cool air for much or all of next week.